How to send money with PayPal internationally to another country, a 2023 video tutorial. So hi guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you two ways on how you can send your money to other country. So here I have my business account. The first thing that you're going to do is to simply go to paypal.com, and if you do have a business account, then sign into it. So this is how a business account looks like basically. So here in the dashboard section, you can actually see your quick links. You could also send a payment right here under the action section. And basically what I'm going to show you is simply go to your quick links and click on the send money button right here. Okay. Now when you click on your send money button, there are actually two ways on how you could do this. So first, you can actually send a payment to a person via PayPal. So here, say for example, I'm gonna send this to this person. Okay. Now once we've searched on the person, simply input the amount that you would like to be sending to the person that you have chosen. Now here, you can actually see the currency. It will show you different kinds of currency. You just need to input the currency of your choice. So I have Japanese yen right here, and there is actually a conversion rate below. The rate includes a currency conversion fee, and the amount that you will be paying may change as we lock in your rate. So check your final account and fee details before you send. Now here you could also see a plus button, so you can add like more information as to what that payment is for. So say for example, that's a client's payment. So there you can input client payment. Okay. Now if you want to know more about it, you can actually see the user agreement. And then when you click on next, you can actually see so which type of money is this. So you can have for goods and services or for your friends and family. So simply select for goods and services if you're sending a payment to your client. All right. Now here in this section, you can actually input your debit card or credit card number, the card type that you have. So they have actually different kinds of card type, like the Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Union Pay, and the likes. So you just need to choose from that. There's also the expiration date and the security code. Now you should also add your billing address right here. Simply click on link card afterwards. Now, if you have completed that process, let me show you another way on how you could actually send money to your client or basically to another person. So here we're going to go to the quick link section again and click on send money. When you click on send money, you can actually see options right here above, send request, contacts, and more. Click on contacts. So here, if you do have a contact, you just need to click on that contact and click on send. When you click on send, what you're going to do is to see that there are actually two options. So how much you send and how much the recipient gets. So in the recipient section, you can actually change that to the desired currency of your client. Now let me show you how you can send money with other people internationally through your personal account. So here you just need to go to paypal.com and sign in to your personal account. So basically this is how the personal accounts dashboard look like. So in this section you can actually see two options. So we have send payments and the send button here in the right hand corner. So if we try clicking on the send button here in the right hand corner, basically it will route us to the same page as what we have a while ago in the business account. All right. So here in the send payment to, you just need to input the email address of the person that you want to send the money to. So say for example, this person. Now here in the currency section, you can actually input as well the currency of your choice. Okay, now the conversion rate includes the conversion fee as well as what we had a while ago. And you just need to input the reason or what's the payment for. So basically, if you say purchase, you can add that one. So eligible purchases are covered by PayPal Buyer Protection. If you want to know more, just click on the hyperlink right there. And for more information, you could also use the read the user agreement. Now, once done, click on the continue button. Basically, it will route you to this section or this page as well. Okay, and simply input all the necessary information and link card. Alright, now let's go back to our dashboard. And let me show you how you can request money to another person. So here in the dashboard section, what we are going to do, let's go back to our dashboard. Alright, so here in the dashboard section, what we are going to do is to simply click on the request money button right here or send a request. Now, when you click on it, you just need to input the email address or the username or the name of the person that you are requesting the money from. Say for example, we are going to request money from this person. Okay, once you have inputted the person's email address or username, you will be routed to this page, and you just need to click on the currency that you would like to request the money from. So say for example, Great Britain, pounds. Okay, now you should need to add someone else if you do want to request money from another person as well, and input the reason as to why you're requesting this money. So you will see this pop out if you have not yet verified your PayPal account basically. And that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video, and thank you so much for watching.